Save those sunflower seeds for next year. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's episode, we're going to be saving all our sunflower seeds. You can either save them for next year for growing, you could save them for the birds, you could even eat them, save them for roasting. So we're going to chop off all our sunflower heads today and dry them out ready to save. So let's get snipping and let's get saving. So as you can see, some of our sunflower heads have fallen over, some are dying, and so we're going to save our seed heads ready for next year. So what we need to do is we need to chop off the heads that are dying and get them dried out ready for saving. Now look at the size of that head. Like, my hands are big and look at the size of it. Wow, there's going to be absolutely hundreds of seeds in there for us to save. So all we do is leave some stalk on so that we can hang them up. So yeah, we've got the heads off, so let's get them drying out. So we've now put these up to hang in the polytunnel, and these will all dry out and all the little flower bits will drop off and it'll leave all the seeds in it. These shouldn't take long to dry out, should be pretty fast in this polytunnel as it is nice and warm in here. So we'll come back and we'll see what they look like in a bit. Now, one important thing to do is not throw away the canes of the sunflowers. You can save these and they'll store and be rock hard, and you can use them for growing runner beans up next year or using them for a framework. So yeah, save them and save yourself money. So that has been our tip for today on saving sunflower seeds, whether it's for eating, whether it's for the birds, or whether it's for growing next year. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip. Do give it a like, give it a comment, and feel free to share it as well. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.